Before you decide to set up in business, you will need to carefully consider if you have enough startup capital and profitable business idea to get it going. Your startup costs depend on your business idea and production model. You need to find the best business idea according to your bank balance, qualifications, and past experience. Today we are sharing 37 manufacturing business ideas that you can consider for starting a new business with your skills and education. Number 1, customized furniture making. Number 2, AI toys manufacturing business. Number 3, diaper production business. Number 4, customized shoes for kids. Number 5, automotive parts manufacturing or distribution. Number 6, Ayurvedic hair and skin care products manufacturing. Number 7, industrial belts and leather items manufacturing. Number 8, manufacturing of sugar-free, hands-made chocolate. Number 9, tools manufacturing. Number 10, face mask manufacturing. Number 11, manufacturing customized candles. Number 12, nut oil manufacturing. Number 13, jute bag manufacturing. Number 14, homemade hair oil production. Number 15, packaged drinking water manufacturing. Number 16, jam jelly pickle making. Number 17, production of cottage cheese and butter. Number 18, jeans manufacturing. Number 19, ginger oil manufacturing. Number 20, soy sauce manufacturing. Number 21, manufacture ventilators. Number 22, Micronutrient fertilizer manufacturing. Number 23, homemade candles. Number 24, air freshener production. Number 25, microberry business. Number 26, food color manufacturing. Number 27, detergent power manufacturing. Number 28, hand sanitizer manufacturing. Number 29, manufacturing Ayurvedic soaps. Number 30, noodles manufacturing. Number 31, garment manufacturing. Number 32, disposable plastic syringe manufacturing. Number 33, manufacturing homemade biscuits and cookies. Number 34, paper carrying bags making. Number 35, organic farming vegetables. Number 36, soybean meat manufacturing. And number 37, cotton buds manufacturing. One of the most important things to do is to discover your niche. Find out yourself what really appeals to you, and then develop a business or product that fits into that niche. Once the initial enthusiasm for the setting up and running your own business has died down a little, then what needs to kick in is your enthusiasm or excitement about the product itself. This will only really happen if you have to decide upon a niche that is really relevant to you and which really excites you. It's worth time spending on this side of the business development at the onset and use the ideas of what excites you as a motivator rather than what you think is going to be the most profitable area of business to go into. This type of business you consider should reflect what you already know. Owners who spend years building their business from the ground up are protective of their creation and like to know the qualifications of potential buyers. Now it's time to write a business plan for your business idea. Business plan help you understand strengths and weaknesses of your business idea and market trend. Also, do like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos.